Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. First up, an update on the global markets. So in trade yesterday, if we see the Dow snapped its 8-day winning streak and ended below the levels of 39,400 with a flat to negative bias. The S&P 500 has also ended on a negative note in trade yesterday. The zone of 5,120, 5,140 will be the immediate support for the S&P 500, while any sustainable move above the levels of 5,240 will lead to a fresh upside in the index up to the mark of 5,340, 5,380 levels. Brent crude, if we see, has witnessed a minor pullback after touching the lows of 82.04 level and is seen consolidating in the range of 82 to 85 zone since the past few trading sessions. The dollar index, that is the DXY, is oscillating in a narrow range of 105.40 105.05 level. Going ahead, breakout on either side of the range would result in a directional move. Coming to our markets, so in trade yesterday, the benchmark index Nifty has taken support at the 100-day EMA level, that is the levels of 21,821, which is also in close vicinity of the previous swing lows. Post that, we witnessed an extremely smart recovery in the second half of the session, with Nifty ending about 22,100 mark with a gain of nearly 0.22% for the day. The recovery from the lower levels resulted in the formation of a bullish hammer candlestick pattern on the daily scale. This clearly indicates buying interest at low levels in the index. Among the momentum indicators, if we see, the daily stochastic has given a bullish crossover, which suggests limited downside at the current juncture. Looking at the derivative data, so if you see, the May futures has surged by about 0.27% in trade yesterday, while the cumulative open interest for the current, next and far series has surged by about 3.16%. This clearly indicates long built up in trade yesterday. Going ahead for the market, the zone of 22,050, 22,080 will act as a crucial support. As long as the index holds this level, the index is likely to test the levels of 22,220 followed by 22,310 levels, while the 50 and 20 DMA levels, which are the 20 and 50 DMA real levels respectively. While on the downside, if you see, if the index slips below the levels of 22,050, the next support for the index is placed at 21,940, 21,880 levels. Quick update on Bank Nifty. So in trade yesterday, so Bank Nifty has taken support near its 100-day EMA, that is 46,983 levels, and thereafter witnessed a sharp upside rally. It has outperformed the frontline indices as it ended above 47,700 mark with a gain of nearly 0.7% for the day. On the daily scale, it has formed a bullish candle with the lower shadow, which indicates buying interest at lower levels in Bank Nifty. For the day, if we see, the zone of 48,050, 48,100 will act as the crucial hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 48,100 will lead to sharp upside rally up to the levels of 48,450 followed by 48,700 levels. While on the downside, if we see, the zone of 47,650, 47,600 will act as the immediate support. If we see among the sectorial indices, so among the sectorial indices, Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Healthcare, Nifty Pharma and Nifty Realty have witnessed smart rebound from their lower levels. Coming to the FIDI data, so in the cash market, that is, FIs were once again net sellers to the tune of 4,498 crores, while DIs bought to the tune of 3,562 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures currently is at 34.18 on a net basis. This as they sold about 14,827 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs have bought to the tune of nearly 17,195 contracts, while on the options front, FIs sold 22,256 call contracts and simultaneously sold 1,29,100 147 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.